the trail. We're here, finally back on the trail. It's been a while. We kind of just got on the trail, trying to figure out, make sure we're on the right trailhead. I'm here with my nephew and my dog. We're here at the sknob trail. It's like a little loop linked with the Loeb trail in North Carolina. I think this is Pisgah National Park or whatever. I did multiple hikes in this area because it's pretty much an hour and 50 minutes away from where I live, and we are doing pretty much an 8 to 9 mile hike. It's not bad. We already kind of did most of the elevation gain. I didn't record much because try to make sure we were on the right trail and I didn't fall or anything, which I did, and bent my trekking pole a little bit, but we're good. This is his first hike. So his hands are cold. We didn't bring gloves or anything. So he's using one of my extra socks that I had in my backpack. And my dog is going good. I posted a short video on YouTube. My dog had breast cancer and she had a tumor removed and stuff. Actually, two of them. One was real big, the other one was a little smaller. So she seems to be doing fine. She lost a lot of weight this past year, and she seems to be putting it back on now. So it's good. Seems like we're kind of like on the top right now. He's taking off his socks off his hands because it's getting warmer, I guess. This is a pretty nice little, so far it's pretty cool, the trail. Obviously I love the Loeb. If you guys definitely in North Carolina or close to it, or just in the area, it's good to go to do the Loeb trail. There's a whole bunch of loops that you can kind of do. You could do overnight, multi-day hike, or just do the whole Loeb trail, which is kind of like a point-to-point trail, not like this one's, I made a little loop for a day hike. But wait until we get out in the opening. It's gonna be nice. So if you guys know that this is actually, this part of the trail that I'm on, it's considered mountain to sea trail something. And when I'm saying sea is like actual ocean sea. So if you guys want to look it up, there you go. And it's like a little circle white blaze. Obviously it's gonna connect to the sknob. Well, sknob is not the trail. It's actually, I'm assuming it's one of the vistas, and it obviously connects to the Loeb trail where we're gonna be on our way back. The scenery is just constantly changing from very foresty kind of feel, piney, and there's a lot of roots here, and it's been kind of relatively flat now. So this is a piece of the road. Oh, there's some rivers and looks like it. Yeah, that's normal. It's all right. Come on. Don't be scared. We good. And then we're going this way. Now we're going on to the art Loeb. It's been windy. It's windy. Look at the view. Somewhere around here, I camped. I'm trying to see where's the section I did. But this trail's pretty cool. How it's like so open everywhere. Up here it's kind of windy to camp, so if you do want to camp, just make sure you set up your tent correctly. You can hear yourself think sometimes down here. I'm trying to see which way now. If it's this way or that way. It's been going a little bit downhill now, and it's a lot of rocks. Over here, Diamond. Looking for the trail to continue it. I think it's this way. It's been good. It's not as windy now as it was like earlier, kind of in the top, but I guess because there's a little bit of trees. So we're pretty much approaching Sam's Knob. We got off the trail a little bit, so we're backtracking. There's actually a little campsite over there from behind. I think we might be going down that little trail over there. So we'll get back on the trail. I saw these pictures when I was looking up this trail. It's still windy up here. There's nothing I can do about that. Unless I get some kind of mic, which I kind of do, but I don't bring it with me. But yeah, look at this. There's no civilization here. It's looking about right, correct? What it says on the All Trails app. That's what I use. And it says like 4 hours, which is looking about correct because we started like around 8 something and it's 10 something, even though we're kind of like going slower because I'm recording and stuff. So yeah, and it took us a while to find the trail. In the beginning, he's taking off his hoodie and stuff. It's getting kind of hot. I'm gonna wait until we get right here at Sam's Knob, which is the Vista, to maybe take off. I don't know if I'm gonna take off my sweater too, but I feel like my shoulders are getting sweaty. So I'm about to take it off in a bit. Almost there. Sam's Knob. Got some stairs here. Diamond, over here.
Hello!
It's pretty cool. We're just about there. Sam's Knob. I think this is as high as we're gonna get. But I think this is actually the peak right here. Where they're standing at. Eating a sub. And some Doritos.
We living the life. You know what I'm saying?
And we're at the top pretty much. That's the vista right there, but we're gonna go look at it after we finish eating, and they're probably gonna be gone. So we finished at the top, we finished eating, took a couple pictures. Somebody took pictures of us, so thanks for that, if you ever watch this. But yeah, now we're heading kind of like back to the same direction and then continue on our loop. So we're pretty much halfway. And it's windy again, so we're at the top. But yeah. Check the map real quick. It might be going down this way, I think. We're back on the Loeb trail. Look at all this opening. It's just grassland. Finally, the first stream. You want some water, Diamond? This is really not like a river crossing, but yeah, you might get your feet wet here. It's pretty cool. I think this is the part where I saw a lot of people saying just, yep, the trail's that way. This is pretty cool right here. It should be a walk in the park right now. But it looks like this section of the hike is a little bit more wet than the other part that we were hiking up. But yeah, it looks like you can see the stream from a distance. He got his feet soaked. At least your shoes look cleaner now. This will be, I was wondering, look, Julian, that'll be a good camping spot right there, which it is.
By the riverside too?
Yeah, that's perfect right there. I put on some weight. Kind of tell just by looking at my videos as I'm recording and pictures. I haven't been on the trail for a while, and I've been pretty much not playing football hardly. I just joined the kickball league. That's what I'm doing now. Season starts this week, and that's what I'm trying to get to some degree. Well, just for hiking and overall health. I'm trying to get too lazy. But yeah, I'm doing good though. This is not really a hard trail like that, but if you're not used to hiking, yeah, definitely it's maybe a good trail to kind of just start and just to test what you can do. And that's pretty much it. This is a pretty cool area, like with the rocks. So we're pretty much almost done. We're gonna be gradually going back up, and then we'll be at that point where we're gonna go straight down pretty much and finish off the trail that way and head back to the car. It's kind of cloudy now though. We're gonna merge to the part where we already did the trail. So you're gonna be like, oh, I remember this part. Maybe. Or maybe everything looks the same, who knows? We're back on the Mountain Sea Trail. And we just came off the Little Sam. Yellow blaze, I didn't even know. It's not hard to follow. Actually, I didn't even see the yellow blaze, but you can kind of tell where people have traveled. And this one is back on the white blaze, like the Appalachian Trail, but only this is a circle. I think we're going this way. Yeah. What you mean? I'm your excursion host. I mean, pretty much it is. What is it? Somewhat. Well, yeah, exercise, which is good for you. Exercise? What's that?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yep, take your time, because I just busted my ass. And I'm about to put my phone away to get down here. It's a little steep. Obviously, the videos really can't tell some justice, but... And then this is kind of close to here. Yep. Oh, this wasn't that bad. It's just... Gotta be careful. Go. We didn't come through here? Technically, we're supposed to have come through here. I hear the road. I'll double check on the app. Look at this part right here. You don't remember it? Alright. Come on down there. So we're pretty much... I could see the road from the trees. We're right here. Oh, it's this way actually. I thought we were gonna keep going that way. Guess not.
This is the end.
Pretty much. It's been a good trail. It's a nice little day hike. What do you think? Yeah, your shoes. You might not want to wear them to school no more. But yeah, look. There's still actually nice views from here. Nice scenery. It's pretty much down there. It's hard to see with the camera, but it's definitely through there. And I think the trail is right down there where we're gonna be going to. We're here, but now we gotta go back to the car. So I didn't even know that you could probably park there. Somebody did.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you can. We could have parked there.
Yeah, this is.
Come on. So we kind of parked down the road, but there's really not a parking spot for this trail. So if you come here, I guess park where you feel it's the best spot to leave your car, especially if you're doing it overnight. But we kind of did a real quick trip. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button and bell notification, and I will see you on the next trail.